Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, December the 22nd, 2023, almost weekend. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudoku, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First puzzle I will do is the Sudoku with 3 stars. And this one will be number 7666. Yeah, 7666. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones, because the 3 stars puzzle usually has 25 printed digits. This one has 4 more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, a puzzle with 29 printed digits should be a 0 stars. 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, you need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this. Alright, so let's get started. 5 missing numbers. In this column, 2 of those missing numbers are an 8 and a 4. We have an 8 and a 4 in this big square, so no 8 and 4 in these 3 boxes. 8 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 4, 8 and 4. We have an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, and now okay, we have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Let me mark those. That means that these 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright. Need to wait. Oh. Wait. Well. Apologies. Someone is knocking on the door in this evening. Well. The postman. Apologies again. Well, let me continue. Well. We have 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, and only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 9, 7. 5 here. Let me see. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 place left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so third row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here on there. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the row below, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4, it should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. That means the other 3 should be the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1. 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. No, 1. Here we have a 3. 1, 8. Well, I need to wait. I need to wait. So, here I need a 9. I need a 6 here. So, 6 should be there. Come on. 8, 8. Need a 3 here. 3, 7. Yeah. Well, these 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9. And look. This box can be a 3. We have a 3 in this big square. So the 3 could be here, could be there. The 7 cannot be here. We have a 7 here, so the 7 should be here or there. And the 9, 3, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So the 6 and the 7 are left. 3 and the 7 are left in the second row. We have a 7 here, so the 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Then... Oh, the 1 in this row. The 1 in the second row. So first row, only place left for the 1 should be there. The 3 and the 2 are missing. 3 and the 2 are missing in the middle column. 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next to the last column. Only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 2 in this row. The 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 8 and 6, okay. Then 2 missing numbers in the last 2 missing numbers in the last column. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, and the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square. Odd numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in middle row for numbers. I believe the 6 and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yeah, are missing. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes, 3 boxes with 5, 6, 7. Well, 2 boxes are left. The 5 and the 7. We have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and a 8 and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4. And a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square of numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square of numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. So here 1 and a 5 are left. 1 and a 5. Is this correct? 1, 5, 8. Then here 2 missing numbers in the first row. Oh no, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 already in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Here also 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 and a 5 are left. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next, above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for mile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Well. Told you. 0 stars. Should be faster than 14 minutes. With the interruption of the postman. Yeah. Knocking on my door. Apologies. Anyway, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.